Hey guys, Frisian here. So we got this 2011 Ford Fusion, and customer says that he probably has a bad tie rod. So do you agree? That's crazy. But anyways, the tie rod came completely off out of the socket, so we're gonna replace both of them. And so yeah, let's get to it. All right, so here it is. You got a MOG tie rod. Surprisingly, because I've had really good luck with them and I think they're good quality. But anyway, just remove this pin. This nut is a 18 and this one is a 13/16/21. So just remove the tie rod, count the amount of threads that you turn it to remove it, and so you can put the new one in with the same amount in. So your alignment can be as close as possible as what it was before. Besides that, it's highly recommended that you get a alignment, because you're not going to be manually, you're not going to manually get it perfect to where it's supposed to be at. But anyways, that should get you really close enough just so your tire won't wear out, by the time you get it to the alignment shop. So anyway, just remove it, put it back in there, and that's it. So it's the same thing on both sides. Yeah. All right, guys. So there it is. So it's an 18 nut and 13/16 nut on the back. Same amount of threads went in there. So it should be in the same alignment that it was as before. If the customer doesn't want that alignment, of course it's recommended to take it to an alignment shop. So there it is, guys.